I'm your Anuradha Mataji. Today let us start our session with the revision of a rhyme, children. I am going to tell the rhyme and you have to repeat after me. Okay? Yes. The farmer sows the seeds.
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 Cheerio, cheerio.
Cheerio, cheerio.
The farmer sows the seeds.
The farmer sows the seeds.
The wind begins to blow.
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 Cheerio, cheerio.
Cheerio, cheerio.
The wind began to blow.
The wind begins to blow.
The rain begins to fall.
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 Cheerio, cheerio.
Cheerio, cheerio.
The rain began to fall.
The rain began to fall.
The sun begins to shine.
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 Cheerio, cheerio.
Cheerio, cheerio.
The sun began to shine.
The sun began to shine.
The seed begins to grow.
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 Cheerio, cheerio.
Cheerio, cheerio.
The seed began to grow.
The seed began to grow.
The farmer cut his grain.
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 Cheerio, cheerio.
Cheerio, cheerio.
The farmer cut his grain.
The farmer cut his grain.
The farmer binds the sheaves.
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 Cheerio, cheerio.
Cheerio, cheerio.
The farmer binds the sheaves.
The farmer binds the sheaves.
The harvest it is done.
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 Cheerio, cheerio.
Cheerio, cheerio.
The harvest it is done.
The harvest it is done.
Children, now we are going to learn something new. We are learning BR words today. Okay, children? Yes. When two consonants are together, children, we call it as consonant blend. Okay? The letter B sounds B and the letter R sounds R. So, when B and R are together, it gives the sound BR. What do you see here, children? Yes, it is a brush, isn't it, children? We use this brush to brush our teeth, isn't it? We do that twice a day, isn't it, children? See here, the boy is brushing his teeth, isn't it? Yes. When we say brush, children, how do we pronounce it? Brush makes brush. Brush makes brush, children. When B and R are together, it gives the sound br. And when S and H are together, it gives the sound sh. Okay, children? Yes. Now see, what do you see here? Yes, it is brown color, isn't it? We see so many things which are brown in color. Here, see the coffee, children? Yes, the coffee is brown in color, isn't it, children? Yes. Brown makes brown. Brown makes brown. When O and W are together, it gives the sound out. Okay, children? Yes. Now, what do you see here? Yes, it is a branch. Branch is a part of a tree, children. Okay? Here, the bird is sitting on a branch. Isn't it, children? Yes. Branch makes branch. Branch makes branch, children. Okay? Yes. Now for breakfast sometimes, isn't it? There are so many ways of making bread. We toast it, we also add butter and we eat, isn't it children? Yes, baker bakes the bread in bakery, isn't it children? Yes. Bread makes bread. Here children, when E and A are together, it makes the sound A, okay? Bread makes bread. Now see here children, which picture is this? It is a brick. We use this brick to build a house children. This brick makes the building strong. Okay? Yes. Brick makes brick. Okay children? When C and K are together, it gives the sound K. Brick makes brick. Okay? Yes. Now children, which picture is this? You know this. We use this to sweep our house. What is it? Broom. See here, she is sweeping with a broom, isn't it? Broom makes broom. See here, two O's are here. It's a long O sound, isn't it? Broom makes broom. Now children, we have a small reading activity. Okay, come on, let us read that. Children, we have to read this. Okay, when we find the BR words here, I am going to underline with a red sketch pen. Brunda, SAW, saw, a BROWN, 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 bird, 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 on the branch, branch. Brunda saw a brown bird on the branch. Here, brunda is a br sound word children. Okay, so let us underline brunda with a red sketch pen. Brunda saw a brown. This is again a BR word, word. Okay children, so we have underlined with red sketch pen. Now again, Brunda saw a brown bird on the branch. Again this is br sound word, isn't it? Branch. SHE, she. CLEANED, cleaned. She cleaned the room. ROOM, room. See here, long O sound, room. Two O's are here, isn't it? The long O sound, room. She cleaned the room with a broom. See here, broom. Even here, two O's are there. It is a long O sound, broom. She cleaned the room with a broom. Okay, let us underline broom. Broom. Now let us read this once again. Brunda saw a brown bird on the branch. She cleaned the room with a broom. Okay children? Yes. This is a small activity we are going to do for BR words children. Okay? And we have few pictures here. And I have written BR for each and every word. We have to guess the rest of the spelling using these clues I have given. So let us start with the first one. Which picture do you see here? Yes, it is a brush. And we have BR here. Let us find the rest. Is this the one? OWN. Oh, no. This is not the one. What about this one? USH. Ush. I think this is the one. Let us see if it is correct. BRUSH. Brush makes brush. Yes, this is correct. Let's go to the next one. It is a brown color, isn't it, children? So, is this the one? O-W-N, owl. Looks like this is the one. Let us see if this is correct. B-R-O-W-N, brown means brown. Yes, children, this is correct. Now, let us see this one. It is a branch, isn't it, children? Bird is sitting on a branch. Now, let us guess the rest of the spelling. I-C-K, ick. No, this is not the one. E-A-D, ed. No. Again, this is not the one. O-O-M, no, this is not the one. A-N-C-H, anch. Looks like this is the one because we have a CH word at the end. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch means branch. Yes, children, this is correct. Now we see bread here. Let us see if this is the one. I-C-K, ick. No, this is not the one. E-A-D, ed. Looks like this is the one. Let us see if this is correct. B-R-E-A-D, bread means bread. Yes, children, that is correct. Now we have two more left. This is a picture of bricks. Okay. Bra is rare. I-C-K, ick. Looks like this is the one. B-R-I-C-K, brick means brick. Yes. Here it's the last one. This is a picture of a broom. So let us see this one. B-R-O-O-M. Broom means broom. Yes, children, we are done with our activity. Now Bhavani Mataji is going to make you write in your English class for good children. I am going to meet you with another session next time. Till then, Ram Ram.
Namaste children. Your Bhavani Mataji is back. Now Anuradha Mataji has taught you a new set of consonant blend BR, that is br sound words. Let us write them in the classwork now. Okay? Be ready with your pencil, classwork book, eraser and sharpener if required. Okay? So children, what is the first thing we are going to write? Date. What is the date? 1/7/17/21. After that, we are going to write the heading in the first line. B-R, that is br. Br sound words. Write it now. B-R. Give one space, one finger space. Then write S-O-U, that is A-N-D. Sound. Give one finger space. Then write V-O-R-D. Words. Br sound words. Serial number 1. The first word is brush. Can you see there? Brush. Brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the night. Okay, before going to bed. Brush. Br. Sh. S and H. Brush. Sh. That is brush. Brush. So what is the next word? Write 2 in the column. Then what is the second word we are going to write today? It is brown. Brown. Can you see there? Yes. It is brown color. So what is the spelling of brown? B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Can we write it? Br. O. Brown. Br on. Brown. The shoes are brown. What is the third one now? It is branch. Br a n ch. Already you have learned the blank word, that ch, right? Br and ch. Branch. The bird is sitting on the branch. Children, as I am not having much space here, I am writing the fourth one here. You will write one below the other. Okay? The fourth one is bread. Br d. Bread. What is this? It's bread. The baker bakes the bread. Okay? The fifth one is brick. Br. C-K. Brick. Brick. The brick is red in color. Okay, what is the last one we are going to read? And right now, that is broom. What is a broom? The one which you use for cleaning, right? Yes. She cleans the room with the broom. Okay, can we write the word? Br. That is br. Double O. Broom. Br. Broom. She cleans the room with the broom. Children, hope you all have followed this and written with me. Now let us do an activity. Welcome to the activity time. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn how to make a pen stand out of old boxes. I have taken a toothpaste box and cut into piece. That is, I have divided it into different level. Okay. And I have got few color sheets and few pieces of paper that is cut into flowers and leaf designs. Okay. Now let us do the activity. Okay. I am going to take this and wrap it with the color sheet. Okay. I am going to glue this and fix it. Yes, children, we have glued it and kept this box ready. Now let us do the same procedure with the other box. Now both the boxes are ready. We can stick either like this or this way. Either way you can stick it. Now I am going to stick both the boxes like this. Okay. Other box. It's your pen stand. Okay, is it looking good? It's so plain, right? You can use kundans or any kind of borders or even the pieces of paper which are cut here into designs. Na? You can use these, anything what you want. Okay, and decorate it with this. Now I am going to decorate it with these flowers and leaves. Okay. Children, I have used the waste box. So we can call this as best out of waste. I have done the pen stand with the box. Okay, whenever you get your toothpaste or any other items at home, you can use those boxes and do this kind of decorative items. And you can also give this as a gift to any of your friends. Best out of waste activity. You can arrange your pencils and pens in this. See? and keep it on your table. Enjoy doing this activity. Ram Ram.